My love for scrapping has apparently rubbed off on my wife because she brought this home for me. And if you don't know what this is called a hydrocollator, made by the fine folks at Chattanooga Hydrocollator Company. Now, if you're not familiar with what a hydrocollator is, it is a large stainless steel enclosed heating device. And what it does is it's used for physical therapy. And I'll go ahead and open this up here, and anybody who's had physical therapy will immediately recognize the inside of a hydrocollator. As you can see, there's a rack inside and there's pads. Now what would happen is you would fill this up with water, and these pads here, let me get these out of here, these would soak in the water, and the water would be kept at roughly 130 degrees or so. I'll go ahead and take this rack out of here too. And then once they're heated up, they're wrapped in towels and then they're put on the patient for physical therapy. But this is what we've got. And I'm going to see whether or not this is salvageable or not. It's looking pretty beat up. All that white stuff in there is from the pads. They must have leaked or been overheated or something. You can see the heating element there. That's chewed up pretty bad, so that's going to need to be replaced. Yeah, that's in really bad shape there. You can see how that's all corroded. There's the thermostat that regulates the temperature. And I think there might be a spot on the other end. Not that it really matters, since it's already chewed up on one end. But I think this end of the heating element is also pretty much rotted through. But anyway, I'm going to get some prices on what it would take to repair this. These hydrocollators run about $500 brand new, and we'll see. Kind of an interesting little find. This is not something you would come across every day for sure. I'll probably just junk the pads. Maybe get new ones of those too. We'll see. As you've already seen, the heating element definitely needs to be replaced. So let's go ahead and open up this thing from the bottom and see if anything else is going to need to be replaced on it as well. Pop this open. And a quick glance at the outside switch on the thermostat, as well as the thermostat housing here. I'll see if I can get any closer to that. There's the wiring. There's a nice reflection of me holding the camera. There's all the wiring. It's very simple setup. Everything looks good except for the thermostat switch. So that would definitely have to be removed and replaced as well. So we're starting to talk about a little bit of money. I'll show you. To replace the heating element, it would cost me about $46.54. And to replace that thermostat, it's going to cost me another $62.93. I'm up to $100 already. So I went ahead and removed everything out from the bottom. Went ahead and took the cord off of it. Went ahead and took out all the wires for the thermostat and the heating element and all the wires for everything else. And at the end of the day, our little hydrocollator has found its way to become a really cool trash can. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Maybe I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.